50 to 80% of the employees working from home are exposed to cybersecurity attacks. Hi, I'm Darshan, working in the field of cybersecurity. Today, I'll be sharing the top 10 and most common cybersecurity frauds or attacks that you can protect yourself from and save your business information getting leaked on the online world. Do not click or open any attachment from an unknown sender. There has been enormous increase of phishing attacks during this pandemic alone. The number states about 600% increase in the phishing activity. Don't believe? Just Google or see this report for yourself. Connect via the official VPN services authorized by your organization, as these services would have been tested and they have a multiple secure tunnel to your servers. Use a dedicated laptop or a PC to perform your office activity and make sure the laptop or the PC has updated antivirus and firewall. It's a best use case scenario if the organization themselves provide an official laptop which is updated with the latest antivirus and has organizational firewall policies built in. Point 4. Do not connect any USB or charge your phone on this official laptop or a PC, as these USBs or a thumb drive are known to bring in the malicious script and try to open up the backdoor entry to the hackers. Point 5. Do not connect from any public internet provider that you find it in a coffee shop or a cafe or even your neighbor's Wi-Fi. This method of spoofing is almost as good as physical theft of your laptop or the document. You never know who is in between listening to your sensitive information during the information transit. Point 6. Keep all your social engagement limited, even on LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. Recently, there has been increased activity of virtual kidnapping. Sounds different? Just Google it. Point 7. Dispose all your documents, the physical copies of your personal or a business document, in a secured manner. Use Shredder, period. Point 8. You never know when your laptop or a PC will crash. The best use case scenario is to have all your important documents secure on a remote server provided by your organization. Do not back it up on a Google Drive, Dropbox or any other private provider. Use an official or a drive provided from your organization. Point 9. Secure your laptop or a PC from a physical threat such as theft or damage. Limit the casual discussion of the business or a project between your partners or a roommates if they are working for a multiple organization. The bonus tip in the safety roadmap is, even though the voice assistants such as Alexa or Google Assistant proved to be extremely helpful to automate your lifestyle, at the same time you never know who is listening on the other end. When working on a business activity, either mute the hardware mute on these devices or just remove it from your workplace. Share in your comments, thoughts and feedback about these safety tips and how this will impact or help you to prevent any cyber related theft or frauds. Thank you.